If you want to learn more about physics, then what you can also do is you can actually utilize something called Physics GPT. So to actually access that, you need to go around onto Explore GPTs right here and type in physics right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and type that in, you can see that I got different plugins right here. Let me just type in Physics GPT, and then you got the Physics GPT plugin right here. So if I were to go around right here, then you can see that it tells you that you can actually go around and then ask it physics questions like why speed of light is c, and what is really a wave, and so forth, just like this. So let's just go around and start a chat right here, just like this. And let's say, for example, how long does it take light to reach Earth from sun? Give the formulas as required as well, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, and then it utilizes the physics engine right here, and then you can see that it says the distance from the sun to Earth right here and speed of light, and then you got the required time around over here as well. And as I asked it to, it actually gives out all of the formula, as you can see right here, just like this, and calculates it out right here. And you can ask it any physics related questions right here, and now you can see that it gives out the explanation as well, and it says it approximately takes 8.31 minutes in order for the light from sun to reach out the Earth. And that is how you can go around and utilize Physics GPT as you like inside of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.